Shibenta ke jingkut jingmut jong ke jela ban penek pensa ya kamariang. Ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly harengkat ke jinga trilang bar ketenat forest hak arpulai trik naitu. Kila penlong ya ke jing thung dieng hak pelau jong ke Iingdorbar bathymmai ke jela ha New Shillong Township mau diang-diang. Hak ni ke program lawan ni Shimbenta da ulat ke jela U Chandra Shekhar H. Vijaya Shankar U Menteri Rangba ke jela U Konrad K. Sangma U Lampang ka Iingdorbar U Thomas A. Sangma U Sembut Menteri Rangba U Bak Preston Tensong U Sembut Lampang U Timothy D. Shira Ki Menteri Sorkar Ki Bukentup Ya U Rakam A. Sangma Marcus N. Marak Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo A.T. Mondal U Opposition Chief Whip Ba Roni V. Lingdo Bat Ki MLA Naki Seng San Perthai Baper. Habakren hak ni ke program ulat ulaya ro ya ke rukom penwandur ya ke ni ke Iingdorbar bathymmai bat ya ro ru ya ke ni ke program thung dieng gum ke sienjam ka bayo I jengai. Ula ban juru halor ke jingkong san ban thung ya ki ding tenrai ki bami hi na ke ni ke jela ki kenbat jing thung bat ki jing thung ki balajan du jat dak ba maham ru ya ke jing thung ka batang shi jat ha ke we ke jaka namar kala ban keta ya ke saudong saukun. Habakot ya ke Meghalaya kum ke benang ke India ulat ulapen kemau ru ya ke jingya lang halor ke jingdon jing em bekerpang jong ke jela ha ke spa mariang bat halor ke jingkit klik ban penek pensa ya ki. Ke ke kamram ke jongi ke long ban wan rak biang ya ke jinglong jingman ke biang ha ki saudong saukun jong ke mariang da ke bekenturu halor ke jingdon kam ya ke jingya trilang. U Lampang ke Iingdorbar ha ke jingkren ula banjur ba ke ni ke jing thung dieng ka long kum kedak jong ke jinga teli bandon ya ke jingkut jingmut ke beskem na ke benta ban ya daya ke mariang. Ula pen bena baya kini ke jing thung bala thung menta da ki he ki han on sebut rengkat ya ke kerteng jongki ka ban pen I ya ke jingkular skem ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya ke pynjyrngam. Kat bana ke liang Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad K. Sangma ula Shim ya ke ni ke program thung dieng gom ke sengi ke bansa ken mau haka history bat ke sienjam ke buket jingmut ke bayai rengkat ha ke jingya khun jong ke perthai ya ke jingkela jong ke sun beneng. Ula pun ken mau ru ya ke jingkren na ke film Gladiator ke ke bengi lek menta kan yai sa shi jiunom da ke boong baki ne ki ding bala thung menta ke sengi kin yeng kum ke jing sa nam na ke benta ki pateng ke banwan. Ula ke doru halor ke jing sei so jong ke jela lingba ke sienjam ke bala Shim hapo jong ka one citizen one tree ke bala lam syaka jing thung ding ke bala jan kot syaka arklur teli ha keleng ke jela Meghalaya. Nalor kata Menteri Rangba ula kenturu ya barok ki MLA bakin let jengok khak bat ban sumari ki ding ki ba la thung khnang ban nang pen skem ya ke kubor ke jinglong trai ya ke mariang bat ya ke jingkit kli ke banala de shimet.
First and foremost thing, whenever you go for plantation, first thing you have to keep in mind, always give importance to the native species. Always you have to give importance to the native species. And second thing, I tell you, whenever I speak outside the Meghalaya, always I used to tell, Meghalaya is a hub of Ayurveda, hub of medicinal plants. Whether it is true or not, it is a hub of medicinal plants. So in that way, I request to the government, you see that maximum importance whenever you go for plantation, you should give importance to the medicinal plants which can survive at least 25 years, which can survive 50 years, which can survive more than 100 years. Just now the plant, whichever we have been planted, our forest officers and including Chief Minister and Speaker also told, it is the best medicinal plant. It is going to be used for cure the cancer, Such medicinal plants we have to safeguard, we have to save in the state of Meghalaya. Second importance, we have to give for medicinal plants. And third importance we have to give for endangered species. Make the list of the native species of Meghalaya, out of which we treat whichever the tree is endangered. It is our prime and foremost duty to see that we have to safeguard it. We have to protect it. Endangered species, we have to give maximum importance. And last one, avoid monoculture. Avoid monoculture. Monoculture, it leads to ecological imbalances. It leads to ecological imbalances. In that way, I am not against to any kind of tree, but ultimately, monoculture, we have to totally avoid it. We have to avoid it.
These trees that we are planting here, as mentioned by Honorable Speaker, is not just an occasion where we're just planting a tree. This will be here for decades and maybe centuries to come. MLAs, ministers, before us and after us, may never get an opportunity like this to be part of history, to be part of this moment where we may not have been physically involved in the construction of the assembly building, but we have been now made a part of this history which will be echoing in eternity. And even after many decades, yourself, your children, maybe your grandchildren, will actually come and look at that tree that you planted today and point at it and said, well, this was planted by my mother, my father, my grandfather, my grandmother. And I think that is something very special for us all. And as I mentioned, I don't think any other MLAs have had this opportunity or will have this opportunity for many, many decades, I should say. So I would like to thank the Honorable Speaker for his very gracious gesture of coming out with this idea where he has, as I said, for eternity made us part of this assembly. And it's also symbolic because it also goes with our entire issue and all the aspects of environmental issues that we are facing. It's a very strong message that yes, as legislatures, we are together when it comes in the interest of our state. And more importantly, as legislatures, we are together when there are global challenges like climate change that we are facing. Today, you must have all noticed that climate change is for real. Even this year itself, I'm sure you've noticed, we have had huge deficiency in rain. Our power minister has mentioned earlier, about a week back, I was reading his article where he mentioned about the rain deficiency. It's a real matter of real concern. Cherrapunji is also facing the same. The heaviest rainfall in the world, Mawsynram, Sora area, is today facing huge deficiency of rain. And I think all of us have seen the level of Umiam reservoir is very low. It's not because, we're releasing water continuously, but there is no water coming in either. So we are facing challenges, and these are for real. And things are only going to get worse, as we all are aware. And hence, this program is very symbolic, very important, and sends a very strong message from all the legislatures that we also should set an example of taking that step towards doing our part to do whatever we can to reduce the impact of climate change. As Mr. Speaker, sir, has been discussing, we are very hopeful. We had some delays because there are a lot of technical issues in terms of technology and all these aspects for the new hall. The hall part is what is creating a bit of more work for us, because we are looking at security aspects, we're looking at the sound quality. It's a big hall, so there's a lot of reverb, a lot of echo, so it requires special padding and different kind of sound acoustics to be done, so on and so forth. I don't want to go into details, but I'm hopeful that very soon we'll be able to enter this particular assembly also, so that's something that we all are looking forward to.
This tree plantation program is not merely a symbolic gesture, it is a pledge to safeguard our environment, to respect the balance of nature, and to nurture the natural heritage of our beautiful state. The new Legislative Assembly complex, now becoming a green beacon, stands as a testament to the values of sustainability and resilience and harmonious development. We are especially heartened by the participation of all the honourable members of this House, reflecting the unity of purpose in our pursuit of a cleaner, greener and healthier Meghalaya. And also would like to inform everybody that the trees that we have planted today by all the honourable members and our honourable Chief Governor, Chief Minister, honourable ministers and honourable members, your names will be engraved on that particular tree as to show that we have made this commitment across all party spectrum to show our solidarity towards greener Meghalaya.
Hello.
مرة